Hello everyone, Ramya, Assistant Professor of CSC Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Subject code OMD 551, Unit 2, Topic Biosignal Characteristics, Frequency and Amplitude Ranges. Objective to understand the concepts of biosignals. Biosignal characteristics. A biosignal can be defined as a physiological phenomenon. Here, a body variable that can be measured and monitored. So, the number of physiological mechanisms is nearly unlimited. The diversity of biosignal is huge. Then, we are going to see the types of signals. Intrinsic or extrinsic to body. This is the first method. It takes the experience of biosignals as a way to classify them. It also divides the biosignals into permanent signals and induced biosignals. First, we are going to see the permanent biosignal. That means this kind of biosignals exist without any excitation from outside body, and also it present in the human body because the source is inside the body. The next one is your induced biosignals. That means the induced biosignal means it is a group of biosignals. It includes biosignals that are artificially induced. Here the figure shows both permanent and induced biosignals. The next one is static dynamic. In this method, it makes in consideration the dynamic nature of the biosignal. According to, there are two types: static biosignal. It is in this method, it is used for the steady state lever, which may show slow changes over the time. And the next one is dynamic biosignal. It shows the changes during time only. For example, the heart rate. It also occurs of the heart rate represents a highly dynamic biosignal. And the next one is origin. Here this is the last method is using the origin of the biosignal as a basis for their classification. Here are some examples. They are electric biosignals, magnetic biosignals, mechanic biosignals, optic biosignals, acoustic biosignals, chemical biosignals, thermal biosignals. Next we are going to see the different frequency and amplitude ranges. First one is Ecg waveform. Here it is an instrument. It records the electrical activity of the heart. That means it is used in categorization, laboratories, coronary care units, and for routine diagnostic application in cardiology. It also used in catheterization laboratory, coronary care units, and for routine diagnostic applications in cardiology. Here we have two polarization. First one is depolarization. When electrical activity occurs, heart muscle fibers are contracted and it provides a movement. This condition is referred as depolarization. Then the next one is repolarization. The relaxation of heart muscles is called electrical repolarization. Relaxed heart chambers are called dialytic. The next waveform is Eeg waveform. Here, the continuous electrical activity of the brain is recorded from the other surface of the brain, so that the excitation level of the brain decides the intensity and pattern of this electrical activity. Here also we have four major type of brain waves. That means alpha, beta, theta, and delta waves. At most of the instance, our brain waves will be irregular and does not have the regular pattern. The next one is Emg waveform. It is an instrument used for recording the electrical activity of the muscle to determine whether the muscle is contracting or not. It is also for displaying on the CRO and loudspeaker the action potential spontaneously present in a muscle. Here also this instrument also very useful for making a study of several aspects such as neuromuscular functions, neuromuscular condition, extent of nerve lesion, reflex responses, etc. The next one is thank you.